Cadillac may be moving toward electric vehicles, but the 2023 Escalade-V is still old school with its supercharged 6.2-liter V8. It's one of the most powerful full-size SUVs, and its spec sheet is impressive. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. The hand-built supercharged 6.2 V8 creates 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. The engine is similar to that of the CT5V Blackwing, but the Escalade-V has a larger supercharger, spinning it up to 13,500 RPM to produce about 10 pounds of boost. The four-lobe rotors broaden the engine's power band, while the electronically controlled bypass valve helps overall performance. The engine's architecture uses a combination of steel, aluminum, and titanium. There's a forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods, while aluminum is used for the pistons and cylinder heads, and the heads have lighter titanium intake valves. The engine is paired to a 10-speed automatic, calibrated for the full-time all-wheel drive system. Based on initial testing from GM, the Cadillac Escalade-V can hit 60 in 4.4 seconds and run the quarter mile in 12.74 seconds at 110 miles an hour. To help maximize powertrain performance, the Escalade-V is standard with magnetic ride control, air ride adaptive suspension, and hardware components that are unique to the Escalade-V's suspension. Brembo brakes are also standard. The powertrain and chassis are designed so drivers can customize nearly everything about them through the V mode. Engine, braking, and suspension settings include things like Tour or Sport, while Snow and Ice modes are selectable for bad weather. You can even change the sound of the engine. The OLED display provides twice the pixel density of a 4K television, while navigation, natural voice recognition, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are standard. What do you think of the 2023 Cadillac Escalade-V? Let us know in the comments, and for more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Reporting in Detroit on behalf of Automoblog, I'm Carl Anthony.